In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate averages in Excel using a formula. This is a fundamental skill in Excel, useful for a variety of tasks from simple data analysis to more complex statistical assessments. Whether you're managing a business, tracking your personal finances, or compiling academic data, being able to quickly determine the average of a set of numbers is an invaluable tool. Let's start at the beginning. If you don't already have Excel on your desktop, no worries, you can easily access it online for free. How, you ask? By using Microsoft 365 Online, which offers Word, Excel, PowerPoint and more. All available from the comfort of your web browser. Simply head over to the free Microsoft 365 Online website. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in. If you don't have a Microsoft account, it'll take just a minute to create one. Go ahead and click on the Sign In button to proceed. Next, you'll need to type in your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Microsoft account. If your email is not recognized, you might be entering the wrong one, or you may need to create a new account. Once you've typed it in, click Next. You will then be prompted to type in your password. Security is key here, so try to use a strong password that you don't use for other sites. For today's tutorial, we won't be starting from scratch. Instead, I'll be demonstrating using a demo file. This will help us focus on the averaging formula without worrying about setting up a data set. You'll find that working along with a pre-existing file can make it easier to understand the process, especially if you're new to Excel. Now let's dive into the heart of today's lesson, the formula for calculating an average. In Excel, the formula you're going to use is equal sign average. So, this simple yet powerful function can quickly calculate the mean value of a range of cells. For our purposes, let's say we have a list of numbers in cells C2 through C5 that we want to average. You'll click into the cell where you want your result to appear, let's say C6, and then type in equal sign average C2 C5. Press enter and voila, you'll see the average of those numbers automatically calculated and displayed in cell C6. It's important to note that you can average numbers across rows as well as down columns. The formula remains largely the same, you just need to adjust it to match the cells you're working with. And what's more, the average function automatically ignores empty cells in your selected range, which can be particularly helpful when dealing with incomplete datasets. Keep in mind, if you're working with large datasets or datasets that update regularly, you might want to use Excel's advanced average functions like average, which includes text and logical entries in the calculation, or average if, and average ifs to average cells based on specific criteria. These functions offer a greater level of control and precision in your calculations, tailoring them more specifically to your data's unique aspects. To sum up, today you've learned how to find the Microsoft Office Online suite, log in or sign up for an account, access a demo Excel file, and apply the average function to calculate the mean of a dataset. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try experimenting with the average function using different datasets to get a feel for how it works. The more you use it, the more intuitive it will become. This skill is a building block for anyone looking to get more out of their data, and it's just the start of what you can do with Excel's rich set of features for data manipulation and analysis. I hope this tutorial has demystified the process of calculating averages in Excel and given you the confidence to apply this formula to your own projects. Happy calculating!